What's up, what it do? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, it's your girl Diva, and I'm back with another video. As you read from the title, in today's video I am going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro M1, which I'm super duper excited for because I've never had a Mac. I've always edited it on my phone. But yeah, I use my phone to edit all of my YouTube videos that are up on YouTube right now, and I'm just super duper excited that I finally made an investment in myself and got upgraded to a MacBook Pro. I'm looking forward to getting the Final Cut Pro so that I can really get into some serious editing and really evolve my skills. But I am in no way, shape, or form bragging or anything. I know some people say that in their clips. I just feel like I have to say it too. I saved my money. I got this with my own money. Thank you, Jesus. I also want to thank you guys as well too for believing in me and for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos and commenting and liking. It just keeps me motivated to want to do stuff like this, to create better content and quality for you guys. And yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and also turn on the post notifications bell so that you will never miss a video when I post. And let's just get straight into the video. This from the Apple Store 2 days ago. I ordered it online and then the next day I picked it up. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Whoa. This doesn't even feel real. Like, I could cry right now. It came with a charger, charging block. This is the manual. I literally can't believe this, guys. I wish I was more excited, but honestly, it takes me a minute to like let reality sink in. And this goes for everything. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? So there's a touchpad on this that I had no idea about. Oh my gosh. You guys can't really see that, can you? Oops. But there is a touchpad on here, and I guess you can make this, wow, you can make this a lot brighter. And that is definitely what I'm going to do because I like my brightness all the way up. The volume, wow, this is super duper cool, guys. Like, I am super duper excited. What is that? I don't know what any of this stuff is. Snap to grid. None. Wow, this is really cool. And then I really like this. I do not know if I said this, but I got the MacBook Pro 2020 M1Chip, so their latest model. I got it in a 13-inch. I know I've seen a lot of people get it in the 13-inch on YouTube, and I never had a MacBook Pro in my life, so I honestly don't know how to work these. So I'm just watching a bunch of tutorials and everything. But so far I really do like it, and I can tell that I'm gonna love it. I got it in the color Space Gray. Space gray seems to be a trend here on YouTube as well. It has 8 gigabytes, which I know it's probably not that much, and it has 512 storage space. I also got an adapter for that because if you guys didn't know, which I didn't really know, that this only comes with 2 ports on it, and it's fanless, so it's not loud. Overall, I really am in love with this. I'm gonna get a screen protector just to protect the screen from getting scratched up by the keys and whatnot, and then I'm also going to be getting like a sleeve for it just in case I drop it, because I drop my phone a lot and I would hate for this to be shattered into pieces, and I just got it. But I'm so excited to use this. New videos are going to be on the way. I'm going to be posting more consistently and really trying to, not trying, I am going to be in my YouTube bag this year. And I just want to thank you guys for riding along with me on this journey. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button down below and turn on that post notifications bell so that you will never miss a video when I post. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!